Hey guys, how's it going? It's Dr. Sanan, One Health Physical Medicine, and here in the wonderful Quad Cities Moline International Airport, getting ready to head out to meet with the wonderful people at Gladiator Therapeutics in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Was invited out by them to be a part of a roundtable discussion, a bit of a mastermind on their therapy, on their technology, and just really kind of just coming up with ways to better understand it, better apply it, and demonstrate, what we've been seeing in our own clinic and how it's been helping people out. The plan is tonight to get together for dinner with some of the other doctors. Just got picked up by Al from Gladiator, and again, Al is the VP of Sales and Marketing, and we're on our way to grab some dinner. They were meeting with Bill, he's one of the founders as well, and then Josh, who is GM. I think what you guys are doing with Gladiator, it's a very, very, I think, powerful therapy that people need to know about, and getting the information out there has just been a bit of a challenge. Getting doctors to understand how it works, and then being able to communicate that effectiveness to the patients in a way that makes sense to them. It's about making it make sense. I had a great dinner with them, dug into what they're doing and how they're just doing their absolute best to get this into people's hands. So tomorrow we'll be going to their facility, checking out everything that they've got set up, all the prototypes, the evolution of the product, where it started to where it's at now. What this partnership means to me with Gladiator is the opportunity to bring something to the market that is truly having a positive impact on people's health and their lives. This, health market is just being saturated with so many unproven technologies. This is something that's actually truly unique, and it's all founded and based in research. This is called their Mini MD blanket, the mini blanket. Each one of these little nodules here contains one of those far infrared ceramic tiles. The heat your body part creates is what activates those tiles. It's already made a huge impact in my patients' lives, from people who've had chronic pain, whether it's migraines or fatigue going on, to literally seeing wounds healing that weren't healing. Let me be a way to kind of get this message out to the people, the community, the nation, the world, or whatever, because people are going to get help with this. And that's what it's really all about to me. Just finished up about a 30-minute session on Gladiator bed. I'm really excited about that. It was a very relaxing experience. I didn't feel any the little tiles poking into me at all whatsoever. They actually had me hooked up to meters, 5-minute mark, 15-minute mark, 30-minute mark. They did their reading. Each single time they did the reading, I was looking at the reports. My sympathetic, parasympathetic balance was becoming centered, and at the very end of it, it got dead on, right in the middle, centered where it was supposed to be. Mental clarity is a lot better. My right knee has been bothering the heck out of me. It's feeling a heck of a lot smoother. And that's a potential here with this bed, and again with the application of their smaller devices to be used at home.
Treating my wife and finding out the medical efficacy of the technology. That was the first eye-opener. That was our aha moment. The efficacy has been incredible. The technology itself being so simple, being a simple ceramic that emits a very powerful far infrared. We first started in the Crohn's and colitis space. That's where we saw the first efficacy in reducing inflammation. From a practical standpoint, we can pretty much treat anything, and that's because everything that's in your body that's a problem is inflammation. They just name each body part differently for what the condition is. We're able to heal a lot of things that would take an enormous amount of time and a lot of medical intervention.
What I like that we've done is we've taken the time to do the clinical trials, because in this space, there's a lot of stuff out there. You see infrared, and most of the people, even the doctors, categorize it all together. They put in a general infrared. And I said, no, we knew we had something, and we wanted to be taken serious as a medical device.
The product itself is very simple to use. The ceramics last forever. First and foremost, we're trying to help as many people as we can. We've been blessed with this technology. The opportunities are way beyond where we can even think right now. Well, we really appreciate you coming out here. I'm really looking forward to working with you and building this into what it should be.
You've taken the initiative to come in here and do this. This is awesome.
We're excited, and there's way more about setting up all this stuff, the protocols, and you have experience. You're going to be able to guide us.
And it's been a blessing to meet the other doctors, meet the whole team, and really just kind of see the company's vision and mission about bringing this amazing healing technology to the masses. It's just one of those things where it's the more you learn about it, the more you realize there's so much more to learn about it, the potential that's there. And really right now, it's just the limiting factor is time. Getting this on enough people and getting them actually using it. Again, the whole purpose of this trip was really just for me to get a really good understanding of how Gladiator is going to improve my patients' outcomes. This can be used for anything on the body. And even though the technology is super duper complex and as far as how it works and how it achieves the benefit and how the tiles within the device works, but the application is so simple. It's literally taking the device and it's just putting it on the area that you want to give benefit to or help treat. As a doctor, this is why I got into what I'm doing. I want to ultimately do the most good for the most people and help them out and help them live the lives they've worked so hard to earn. You know, so many people going their entire lives working themselves to the bone. That's one of my big whys, is that I want to help people live the life that they work so hard to earn. And when you can utilize technology like this to help them do that, then that's what this is all about.